Okay. And get muffins. Now I am stuffed. I can't do that anymore. I'm gonna sit down. Oh,
I'll sit down on the couch.
Why not?
Sit down.
Why? Can I sit here?
Yes.
I think you'll have to ask Goldie. Goldie, no. I think we got all in for pine panolin.
Yay.
3 baking sodas when you get a chance.
All right, give me a minute, babe.
What happened to your...
Oh no, I spoke from house.
Oh, what? What? You need to wipe it.
I washed my hands already. I'm supposed to get going.
Yeah, but it needs to fix towel and then you wipe.
Okay. He said, Blip, can you come over here real quick?
Okay, babe, coming. Sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, what do you need? I got your
Get 3 baking sodas and then get the 3 pink panolins.
3 pink ones. These ones down here? Or
Yeah,
these big ones?
the small ones.
Okay.
Open up the big ones and the small one. Oh, I think she wants left in.
Small ones down here? There's 4. You want all 4?
3.
3. Okay. Okay, you want these and the big ones open?
Yep, someone bought all of them.
Okay.
If someone buys Ajax cans, they can go in. So the 5 cans I have left for purchase, they could be Ajax or Comet. I got both.
Alright, we're gonna open these and go back to the okay. Alright, you got everything.
Want to have a reaction? Maybe. We'll find out.
Alright, Izzy, I'm back.
Daddy, that's a steak.
Who's doing skates?
Mel.
How about doing skates?
She's doing steak. But she's full. And then she said, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
That's
Stuck on the river.
yeah, but she just ice.
Icy.
Yeah, but the plane's so but that way you won't be safe.
Oh, let's see.
Mountain hit by myself. Yeah,
She did, didn't she?
yeah.
You are a big girl.
But the mouse in the show is a boy.
Yeah.
We're not. This a boy mouse.
Are you live this weekend? Probably not. I'm probably not going to be live. I'm going to try, but I probably won't be live again. I might go live on Sunday, but I may not be live again until next week. It just depends. I got a lot going on this weekend.
That's right. I love you, big boy.
I'm begging for moisture. Yes, we got, I got 3 small and 2 large panolins going in. I was just going to squeeze all of these powder bombs and I'm going to pour them in.
Well, hurt yourself. You alright?
Oh.
Sorry, Mouse Bell.
I am adding liquid. I'm about to add 2 large panolins and 3 small panolins. Okay, I'm just doing 1 more powder and then I'm going to add them in. I promise y'all. I was just giving a little bit of dry squeezes to the dry squeeze lovers before it get real wet up in here. Before this sink become a slip and slide. Well, dang.
Sure.
Thanks for the follow. What do you have left for purchase? Can you say what you have left for purchase again? Yeah, girl, but I'm gonna have to remember. I got 3 $5 dish soap. No, I got 1, 2, 3. I got 4 $5 dish soaps, 1 $6 dish soaps. Actually, I got a $2 pink pine sol because it's half the bottle. So a $2 pink pine sol. I got 2 bags of Blanca. I got 1 colored laundry left, and I have 5 cans left. I got you, Alyssa.
Hello, I got some muffins.
Hey, beautiful. How you doing?
You can get out of the bike and give Mom and give Cat muffins.
Here's your muffins.
Thank you, baby cakes.
No, you need to get here.
Shoot, I ain't do no bombs on this boat. I'm at the. Y'all remind me, next round of bombs, I'm gonna need to do them on this boat since I haven't used this boat yet.
Daddy, you can.
Oh, look, I found some powder.
Okay, let's sit down. Sit down next to Mommy.
Okay.
Okay, I'm probably gonna take some sponges out in a minute just to put some water. I'm probably gonna take some sponges out in a minute just to mix the bottom so it doesn't get crystallized like last time. Bliff, could you bring that white thing back over here so I can put these sponges on top of it? Oh, this one's heavy.
Okay, well,
Can you add? Yes, I got 3 more. I got 3 more panolins I'm about to throw in here.
What?
Pull that white thing over here so I can put some of these sponges on there. Because I'm going to mix the bottom.
Okay.
I'm going to make sure there's no stuff at the bottom.
Is it okay at your feet? Do you need it on a surface?
That's fine.
Okay.
Oh, no. I have 1 $2 pine sol, Goldie. Oh, wait, no, you got it right, Goldie. My bad. Goldie, only thing you missing out. Thank you, Jennifer. Only thing you missing out is one $6 thing of colored laundry. 1 $6 color laundry. The laundry is red. Y'all, my kitchen look like the color run. It is powder everywhere. Yeah, yes, but before I do anything else, I'm taking some sponges out so I can mix it up so it don't turn into crystals. I think my live last time a bunch of stuff turned into crystals at the bottom because I didn't mix it. This isn't a crime scene. This is a love scene. That's a lot of powder at the bottom.
Yeah.
I'll see all this. Oh, Nikki, I'm gonna put all the sponges back in. I'm just taking them out to mix the powder at the bottom so it doesn't crystallize. Hello, Life and Links, Ann. How you doing? Thanks for the follow. Whoever just followed. Don't worry, all sponges will be going back in a few minutes. I'm just taking some out so I can mix it up, get all this powder at the bottom. And then I'm going to add all the sponges back in. No worries. Oh, thank you. Thanks for the follow. Okay.
It's like a 10 minutes and we're going to go through. Yes. And then what, 10 minutes today?
Someone said this was scary. I don't think this is very scary.
Yeah.
Y'all like my new G-boat? Okay. I think this is enough. So now I can use, oh, my key cat. How many kiddos? One. I got one baby cakes. Y'all, at the end of this live, remind me to show y'all my kitchen. It literally looks like the color run. It is like pink and red powder everywhere on the counters, on the floor. Bliff don't care. He don't care. He don't be tripping about nothing. See, I just wanted to smooth it out a little bit. Yes, a lot of powder on the bottom. Stack, yes. Thank you. I'm back on, yes. I will do a stack soon, Avika, but I'm not going to do a stack until I smooth out this this liquid. Like I said, I just don't want to get crystals. I did not like those crystals that formed the other day. I did not like that. Let's see. Where's my... Oh, here's an epoxy. Let me see. I know. Yes, this is. Well, Melissa, this is a mix of sweetheart powder and some powder I made myself. All the colored cans were cans I made myself. And any more powder I add in here is going to be my powder I made, not the sweetheart powder.
Who doesn't love sweethearts?
Let's see. It does, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. You talking about this corner? Yeah, this gonna have a lot of stuff. You see all these, but I'm just gonna move the sponges to the other side and then mix that.
You're actually candles over there by your big porch.
It's funny. It looks orange to y'all, but it's pink to me. This is like a deep, like hot magenta pink. You said wipe the sides. Okay, Kim.
Okay.
I wonder if it's the lighting in here or something. Maybe I'll tell Bliff to change the lights. Orange on this end. That is so weird. It is like bright, bright, bright pink. Okay. My gloves are purple. My gloves are purple. They look blue. Yeah, my gloves are like a deep lavender purple. Okay. Yeah, I'll have Bliff see if there's some type of filter or something on this.
If you go get it, we can play after it.
Bliff, I may ask you to turn off one of the lights.
Okay. Yes, we'll play catch. I'll be right back. Okay.
Turn off the chandelier over my head.
Sure. I don't know what light that is.
It's behind me. Some comments were filtered. Okay. I don't know if that helped. It looks like purple gloves and pink soap. Okay. No. I just wish y'all could see how pink this is. This is like such a deep pink.
Okay.
Still the same.
Okay.
I don't know what else to do, y'all. Maybe I can have Bliff see if I have a filter on or something. Because I don't know why It looks like that. Still.
Oh, you missed. Oh, wait, sorry. You missed. Oh, you really missed that back.
I missed.
You missed.
It didn't work.
That's so weird. Try put up closer, like see if it changes. Okay. Bliff, could you turn the light back on?
Okay.
The light didn't make a difference.